Students, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to study second part of this chapter, respiration in organisms. Our is how do we breathe? Normally, we take in air through our nostrils. It passes into the nasal cavity. You can see on the screen that the air enters in through our nostrils and passes from the nasal cavity. It enters in the windpipe and reaches our lungs. Lungs are present in the chest cavity and are surrounded by ribs. There is a large muscular sheet called diaphragm. It forms the floor of the chest cavity. You can see in the figure there is a diaphragm forming a floor of the chest cavity. During inhalation, ribs move up and outwards and diaphragm moves down. Due to this movement, space is increased in chest cavity and air rushes into the lungs. The air is filled in the lungs. During exhalation, ribs move down. You can see on the screen and during exhalation, ribs move down and inwards while diaphragm moves up to its former position. Due to this, the size of chest cavity reduces and air is pushed out of the lungs. These movements can be felt easily by keeping your palm on the abdomen. To understand the expansion of the lungs, there is an activity. Take a plastic bottle, it should be wide. Remove its bottom. Now take a Y-shaped glass tube or plastic tube. Make a hole in the lid of the bottle so that the tube may pass through it. To the forked end of the tube, fix two deflated balloons. Insert the tube in the bottle as shown on the screen. Now cap the bottle. Make it airtight by sealing it properly. To open the base of the bottle, tie a thin rubber or a plastic sheet using a large rubber band. Now the model is ready. On the screen you can see the model working here. Blue rubber sheet represents diaphragm and yellow balloons represents lungs. As diaphragm moves down, that is during inhalation, air is filled in the lungs, and as diaphragm moves up, that is during exhalation, air is pushed out of the lungs. Our next topic is what do we breathe out? You are aware that air we inhale or exhale is a mixture of gases. To check whether the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide, let's perform an activity. Take a test tube and pour some lime water into it. Take a straw and exhale air into the lime water in the test tube. You will notice that after some time, lime water in the test tube becomes milky white. Lime water turns milky white only when carbon dioxide is mixed with it. Thus, it is obvious from the above activity that exhaled air is carbon dioxide. The percentage of oxygen and carbon dioxide in inhaled and exhaled air are given here. In inhaled air, there is 21% of oxygen and in exhaled air, there is 64.4% of oxygen, means inhaled air is rich in oxygen. In inhaled air, the percentage of carbon dioxide is 0.04 and in exhaled air, the percentage of carbon dioxide is 4.4, means exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. So students, we'll meet in the next session with another interesting topic, breathing in other animals. Till then, goodbye.